welcome to a brand new video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about ShortZon, where you can shorten URLs and earn money. So for this example, I'm just going to be using this URL here that I have with my Google Sheets. I click on it, and then I have to make a new membership. So let's just create it. There's the one. Frick, I have to do this. Let me go. Let me go. Nice. And then I have to make an account. Let's do that. So you gotta make an account, and while you're doing it, um, just do it. It's easy. Um, you can easily make money by like shortening links, and you will see that when you shorten a link, um, the other guy who's clicking on the link will see an ad, and that's how you make money. So you can manage your links. All links are here. Um, so you can like do the URL. Let's put the URL. And you can do like referrals. You can make money. You can earn 10% of the live earnings and make money. By the way, this is my link. Make sure to use my link. Campaigns, I'll provide this in the description, and you can like easily withdraw money. As you guys can see, here's the withdraw button. Um, let's go and manage links, and yeah, so we just click on this. And yeah, so you can like click on new shorten link, and then put your URL here. Um, I think you need to, oh, so we click on this, and then when you put this link, click here to continue. It will show you like some kind of advertisement, and you will be able to make money. So let's see. I mean, it looks like a virus, however, it makes you like money, so I would say it's pretty good. Oh, frick. Oh, yeah, so that's how you do it. So let me try to like get in. So I have a problem with my computer, so I can get in. Like the advertisements are keep popping up. It's like it makes me like download things. However, if you want to like short zone, you can always use it, and I'll provide my link in the description. So yeah, that's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.